Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find self-improvement books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the discover option at the lower bar, and in the browse all section you can find the self-improvement option at the last row. Tap that. You can find different books, and the category section you can find different categories for the addiction, creativity, mental health, or others. You can find different books and audio books. You can save it later, you can check the ratings, you can find a short recommendation, and you can read the books. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.